temple service of Zechariah found in Luke 1 8 to 11. So Jerusalem temple had first liturgical calendar, second feast days, third the altar of sacrifice, fourth priests in liturgical vestment, fifth the burning lamp that signified God's presence in the sanctuary, sixth the offering of unleavened bread, bread of presence, seventh the unleavened wafer and red wine, eighth the chalice, ninth the pouring out of the wine, 10th the elevation of the host on the altar, 11th the breaking of the living bread, 12th the sacrifice, 13th the censor, 14th the incense, 15th the lampstands, 16th the prayers and the responsorial psalms, 17th the hallelujah, 18th holy water for ritual purification, washing of the priests, 19th the sacred communion meal in the sanctuary. So this is how in the Jerusalem temple they had these liturgical services, and still we have same liturgical services in the new covenant in the church. Thank you.